Bakuchiol Face Serum is a plant-based skincare product derived from the seeds and leaves of the babchi plant, Psoralea corylifolia. Often referred to as a natural alternative to retinol, bakuchiol has gained popularity for its ability to help improve skin texture, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and promote a more youthful complexion without the irritation commonly associated with traditional retinol products. Key benefits of Bakuchiol Face Serum. 1. Reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Bakuchiol helps stimulate collagen production, which can improve skin elasticity and reduce the visible signs of aging. Regular use may result in smoother, firmer skin and a more youthful appearance. 2. Gentle on sensitive skin. Unlike retinol, bakuchiol is less likely to cause redness, dryness, peeling, or irritation. This makes it an excellent choice for people with sensitive skin or those new to anti-aging skincare products. 3. Improves skin tone and texture. The serum helps refine skin texture, minimize rough patches, and promote a brighter, more even complexion. It can also reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation over time. 4. Provides antioxidant protection. Bakuchiol contains powerful antioxidants that help protect the skin from environmental stressors such as pollution and UV-induced free radicals, which contribute to premature aging. 5. Suitable for daily use. Many bakuchiol serums can be used both morning and night, making them a convenient addition to any skincare routine. How to use Bakuchiol Face Serum. Cleanse your face thoroughly. Apply a few drops of bakuchiol serum to clean, dry skin. Gently massage the serum into your face and neck. Follow with a moisturizer to lock in hydration. Use sunscreen during the day for maximum skin protection. Who should use Bakuchiol Face Serum? Bakuchiol Face Serum is suitable for most skin types, including sensitive skin, dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, mature skin. It is particularly beneficial for individuals seeking anti-aging benefits without the harsh side effects often associated with retinol. Why choose bakuchiol over retinol? While both ingredients help address signs of aging, bakuchiol offers a gentler approach. It delivers many of the same benefits as retinol, including improved skin firmness and reduced wrinkles, but with a lower risk of irritation. This makes it an attractive option for those who cannot tolerate traditional retinoids. Final thoughts. Bakuchiol Face Serum is an excellent addition to a modern skincare routine. Its natural origin, anti-aging properties, and gentle nature make it a popular choice for achieving smoother, healthier-looking skin. Whether you're looking to reduce fine lines, improve skin texture, or maintain a radiant complexion, Bakuchiol Serum offers an effective and skin-friendly solution.